So model of spermatozoon, this is head, this is neck, this is body and tail. This is tail, this is body, this is neck and this is head. This is spermatozoon. We have shown you the model of spermatozoa. Now this is entirely how the embryology viva will proceed. Of course, we are into general embryology. I'm changing the topics in between so that it will refresh you. Yes, we have shown the model of spermatozoa. So what we have shown in spermatozoa, that is head, neck, middle piece and tail. I'm repeating what I have shown in spermatozoa, that is head, neck, middle piece and tail. I'm repeating again, head, neck, middle piece and tail. I specifically visited museum to show you the models and specimens, because unless and until you see the model, you are not able to identify it in examination. That is the purpose of showing you the model. So what is shown in spermatozoa, that is head, this is of course neck, this is middle piece, this entire is a middle piece. How I am labeling, look here, this entire is middle piece and this is tail. So head, neck, middle piece and tail. Middle, not medial. I'm repeating, head, neck, middle piece and tail. So what head contains? Head contains nucleus, that is most important, and acrosome. Then viva may proceed. Viva may proceed to what is, look here, this is question mark, what is acrosomal reaction? So head, neck, middle piece and tail. I'm repeating how the things will proceed. You will be shown the model of spermatozoon, and after the model is shown, yes, examiner may ask you to draw the diagram of spermatozoa. He may ask you to draw the diagram of spermatozoa. So what we have shown, head, neck, middle piece and tail. What we have shown, that is most important, head, neck, middle piece and tail. This much diagram is more than sufficient. Nucleus, acrosome. Viva may proceed to acrosomal reaction. This is middle piece, this is neck, head, neck. Now what neck contains? Another question, because this is viva. One question will be followed by another question. Yes, most important in embryology viva or in any type of viva, sometimes examiner increases the speed of asking question just to test your awareness, because in viva most important is your awareness. I'm repeating again, what is most important in viva is your now awareness. I will tell you how the awareness will proceed now, how viva will proceed and how you have to answer. चलो, we are going with the question answer form. चलो इसके हिसाब से जाएंगे. आपको मॉडल दिखाया, मॉडल के कौन से पार्ट है? हेड, नेक, मिडल पीस, टेल. आई एम रिपीटिंग, यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट. हेड, नेक, मिडल पीस, टेल. हेड में क्या होता है? न्यूक्लियस, एक्रोसोम. न्यूक्लियस, एक्रोसोम, यस. नेक में होता है प्रॉक्सिमल सेंट्रियोल. मिडल पीस में होता है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. एम फॉर मिडल पीस, एम फॉर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, एम फॉर मिडल पीस, एम फॉर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड टेल. दैट इज मोर देन इनफ. सो दिस इज स्पर्मेटोजोआ. नाउ viva will proceed to, yes, that is fertilization. Which is the site of fertilization? Ampulla of fallopian tube. I'm a bit slow. What is site of fertilization? Examiner may ask you. Ampulla of fallopian tube is a site of fertilization. I'm again a bit slow. Ampulla of fallopian tube is a site of fertilization. So what happens in fertilization? That is again question. I am telling you the series of question. I want you to write down. What is the site of fertilization? Yes, ampulla of fallopian tube. This is basic embryology. Then what happens in fertilization? That is formation of zygote. So what are parts of female reproductive system? Ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, vagina. Ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, vagina. Just how I am telling you viva will proceed. This is basically viva oriented lecture. And then examiner may ask you early stages of development. Early stages of development. Yes, this is morula. This is morula and this is zona pellucida. Zona pellucida. So this is zona pellucida and this is ICM, that is inner cell mass. So viva may proceed from zygote to morula. These are of course early stages of formation of embryo. Morula के बाद viva जाएगा blastula पे. I want student to read about blastula. So what happens in morula? It contains 16 totipotent cells. Just write down this. Morula contains 16 totipotent cells. 16 totipotent cells with zona pellucida and inner cell mass, zona pellucida and inner cell mass, zona pellucida and inner cell mass. So what morula contains? That is 16 totipotent cells. I am repeating, what morula contains? That is 16 totipotent cells. So again I am telling you, viva has started with the model of spermatozoa, then viva proceed where the fertilization is taking place, what are the parts of female reproductive system, and then there can be SAQ also in addition to viva on morula. So what you have to write in morula? Yes, again we are going with the exam base. Just I am magnifying this image of morula. Look here. This is inner cell mass. This is zona pellucida. These two names with this diagram may carry 1 to 1.5 marks. And once you write this, that is 1, that is 16 totipotent cell. ये सेंटेंस को 1 मार्क मिलेगा आपको. 16 totipotent cell 1 मार्क ये सेंटेंस को मिलेगा. और दूसरा मार्क मिलेगा आप जब पार्ट्स बताएंगे, that is zona pellucida and inner cell mass. I am repeating, zona pellucida and inner cell mass. So bit of practical to theory. और मोरुला के बाद होता है ब्लास्टुला. ये सब डेवलपमेंट इज आर अर्ली स्टेजेस ऑफ एम्ब्रियो. ये हम ऑफलाइन भी पढ़ाएंगे, बट द पर्पज ऑफ वीडियो इज फ्रॉम मॉडल ऑफ एम्ब्रियो टू वाइवा. रिमेंबर अगेन एंड अगेन, इन वाइवा sometimes examiner asks questions in quick fashion to test your awareness and how much you have read. Remember, sometimes questions are not difficult, but questions are asked क्विक बेसिस. मतलब जल्दी जल्दी एग्जामिनर पूछता है. पर्पज़ ये है, क्वेश्चंस जल्दी पूछने का पर्पज़ ये है कि आपका अवेयरनेस, आपका थिंकिंग अवेयरनेस एग्जामिनर टेस्ट करना चाहता है. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. आई रिपीट द पार्ट ऑफ स्पर्मेटोजोआ: हेड, नेक, मिडल पीस एंड टेल, followed by where the fertilization is locating or where fertilization is taking place. Look at the question mark, that is ampulla of uterine tube, and then it is proceeding to morula or may proceed to blastula. Sky is the limit. I am telling you, sky is the limit. Yes, there are 16 cells of morula. There are 16 cells of morula. Yes, layer is zona pellucida and of course inner cell mass. I am repeating, zona pellucida and inner cell mass. तो morula में कितने cells होते हैं? Most important, the cells are 16 in morula. Yes, outer layer is zona pellucida, inner layer is inner cell mass. This can be also short answer question.